Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. So this is the energy of Mars coming in sa sign ng Aries. This is an astrology reading, okay? So happening to ngayong April 10 to May 18, 2026. So for you, itong Mars is entering the sign of Aries in your 7th house of relationships. So Mars is the planet of action, new beginnings, willpower. So some of you, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng simula, like a new relationship. This can also be a business partnership for some of you related sa creativity ninyo. Diba, meron kayong talents and skill set and you will partner with someone na pwede niyang mas matulungan ka ma-develop yung mga skills mo or talents mo. Some of you naman, this can be a relationship na magle-level up. So, halimbawa, kung kayo ay situationship, walang label. Ayan. So, ngayong April 10 to May 18, maaring mapunta na yan sa seryosong relasyon. O, diba? You have the 10 of Cups. This is happiness, fulfillment. This is also part ng celebration within the family, pwede ring reunion. You have the Ace of Swords. So I also see here communication from someone na pwedeng matagal mo na hindi nakakausap or wala ka ng balita with this person. So ngayong April 10 to May 18, there's a possibility na magkakaroon kayo ng communication ng person na ito. So this can be a family member or a loved one. Okay, you also have the Page of Wands. So this is about exploration. So magiging active ka, no? Active in dating, kung ikaw ay single, kung ikaw ay nanggaling rin sa challenging relationship in the past, na nasa point ka na nakaka-move on ka na, so now you're ready to start a new relationship kasi nandun din yung Chiron. So this is about your healing, you're gaining more confidence, you have learned from your mistakes in the past, especially sa relationship, and now you are starting to dream again when it comes to relationship. So pwedeng iba sa inyo, merong mabilisang pagkakakilala sa isang tao romantically and you want to, level up itong relationship na to. You have the High Priestess. This is your wisdom. This is your knowledge. This is your, yung privacy mo rin. So, with the lovers here, takpan natin kasi baka ma-flag na naman tayo. Okay? So, the lovers, this really makes sense kasi this is commitment. Okay? I think mas magiging tahimik ka when it comes to your relationship because that is your way in protecting your energies, protecting the relationship na sisimulan mo. Mas importante sa'yo yung privacy at yung kung ano yung merong na de-develop sa relationship mo with your person. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.